Hey everyone, get ready to see some incredible tech that's about to blow your mind. You've heard of AI, but you've never seen anything like Nano Banana. This isn't just a tool, it's a creative superpower. First, imagine casting a different actor in your favorite movie scene. Nano Banana lets you swap actors from any film and turn them into a new video with incredibly realistic expressions and gestures. Next, change your perspective on Google Maps. You can ask it to shift the viewpoint so you see any street view location from a whole new angle. For the first time, an AI can create genuinely clever editorial cartoons. This shows a new level of AI humor that goes beyond simple mimicry. Forget expensive photo shoots, just upload a casual photo. And Nano Banana will turn it into a studio-quality professional portrait for your LinkedIn or resume. It can even take a still photo and animate it with hyper-realistic movements, turning a simple image into a dynamic performance. You can also adjust the viewing angle of any existing photograph, while keeping every element in the shot perfectly consistent. It's not just about creating new things. This tool can restore old, damaged photos, bringing them back to life as if they were brand new. Take a screenshot of a real-world place and use Gemini's knowledge to get instant information, like identifying landmarks and points of interest. And there's more. You can edit an image in multiple steps, like adding items to a room. And the AI remembers your changes. Plus, take a design from one photo and apply it to an object in another. This isn't just a fun tool, it's a creative revolution. What do you think? Which feature are you most excited to try?